So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts. Now in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can take $100 as a teenager, 5 $20 bills or one $100 bill, save it for yourself, invest it in this one place, and turn it into over $5.5 million. This is by far the easiest way for you to set yourself up to become a millionaire. This is not taught in school. I have no clue why the school system is not teaching us to do this with our money. But if you want to learn how to invest, start making your money, make more money for you, and more importantly, start setting yourself up to become a future millionaire with just $100. This is the perfect video for you. Don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I'm going to break down the math behind it, the actual calculation to share with you guys that this is true, that anyone can become a millionaire if they do this, and more importantly, this is by far one of the best ways to start investing your money as a teenager in life to become a millionaire. So jumping into this video, before we get into it, if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, as well as make sure you smash this thumbs up button, we can help a lot of people and inspire a lot of people to become this future millionaire. Jumping directly into how can we be that millionaire? Peter, what do I do? How can I turn this $100 into over $5.5 million? Where do I begin? So the first place that you guys need to do is, as a teenager, no matter where you are in life, is set aside $100 every week for yourself. 5 $20 bills, start saving and start putting your money to the side, because in order for you to become that millionaire, you need this $100 every week. So over time, every week, saving $100, putting it in this one place, which I'll share with you in a second, you're gonna have $400 that you're investing for your future self. And to start saving $100 every week for yourself, either go pick up another job, start a side hustle, or start saving more money. Cut your costs down, think about your future, and put $100 away every day for your future for you to make this happen. Imagine if you could just save $100 and turn it into $5.5 million. So make this obligation, make this promise to yourself that you're willing to save $100 every week for you to start this journey. So the second step that you need to do, once you have this $100 in your hand, once you're saving $100 every week, the next question is, where do I put this money? Now, where you put the money is exactly what's going to either make you go broke or make you that future millionaire. So the first thing you want to do is open up a brokerage account. This is the step-by-step opportunity for you to turn your $100 into over $5.5 million. So stay locked in. Open a brokerage account. You can go on Robinhood, you can go on Fidelity, you can go on E-Trade. These are all platforms which allow you to buy and sell stocks. So what you're going to do is open up a brokerage account. If you're under the age of 18, open up a custodial brokerage account. Have your parents help you open this brokerage account. But if you're over the age of 18, you're going to open this brokerage account. Now, in this brokerage account, this is exactly where we're going to buy and start selling stocks. Now, in this video, you might think, oh, I'm going to have to go buy stocks. But no, it's a lot more simple. There's less risk, and more importantly, it's a great way that millionaires are being established. So continue to follow along. So once you open up this brokerage account, once your information is plugged in, you have now had this account. So go ahead and fund this account. Every week, set up a weekly payment. Every week, you're going to have $100 going into this account. So guess what? You are saving, you have the money to invest, and now you can start deploying it into this one place. All right, so step 3, once you have your brokerage account open, you are now able to begin investing your $100. So here is what you're going to do with that $100 every week. Now, on this brokerage account, you're going to have the opportunity to buy and sell stocks. Like I talked about earlier, you're not going to be able to purchase individual stocks. You're going to be investing your money into the S&P 500 index fund. This is the place which you're going to turn your $100 into over $500. So let me explain more. The S&P 500 index is a compilation, a pile of the top 500 stocks on the S&P 500. So basically, you can own Amazon, Apple, Netflix, all in one share that trades like a stock. So when the stock market is doing well, guess what? You're going to be making money. And when the stock market is down, well, guess what? You're going to be losing some money. But over time, the most important feature of this S&P 500 index is that your money will grow at around an average rate of 10% annually every year. Now, this is important because your money sitting in a bank account, your money sitting under your pillow is not growing really at any rate. You're actually losing money. But in this place, with time and interest, it creates compound interest. Now, investing your money as a teenager, putting your money into the S&P 500 index over many years, over time, this $100 every week, this $400 every month turns into a lot of money, which I want to share with you guys in a second. But before we jump into the little math I'm going to share with you guys in a sec, I want to share with you guys a few options for you to choose. So right here is a few options for you guys to consider about the S&P 500 index. Any of these options options will work. Make sure you do your due diligence. But any of these options are exactly where you're going to be putting your $100 into, which is going to grow at an average, like I said, 10% every year. So jumping into my computer, I want to share with you guys how doing this, what I'm going to share with you guys today, this $100 will turn you into that future millionaire. So follow along. Let me break down exactly the math behind this on how this $100 turns in over $5.5 million. Now, the reason that your $100 bill will turn into millions of dollars is a thing called compound interest. You might have heard about it in school, but the truth is compound interest is time times interest. Over a long period of time, your money continues to grow. Compound interest is the exact reason why people that have money make a lot more money and build financial success in your life, and you can do this too. So putting your money in position to grow over time, your money over the next 5 to 10 years will continue to compound, continue to grow, make more money on top of the money that it's making. And guess what? Your money will grow without you doing anything. And this is how you'll be established a multi-millionaire. So let's jump into and show you guys exactly how this all plays out and give you guys the real mathematics. I'm not lying to you. I'm not BSing you. This is how you become that multi-millionaire, all from $100 every week. So right here, as you can see, step number 1, your initial investment. How much money do you initially have invested or have $0? Let's say you're 15, 20 years old, how old you are. You have no money invested right now, but this is going to change. So you have no money going into your brokerage account. Now, on this brokerage account, you're going to be funding it monthly. You're going to be putting that $100 in every week. So at the end of the month, you're going to have $400 that is investing into this brokerage account. Again, choose your Robinhood, choose your E-Trade, choose whatever brokerage account you want to do, because that $400 you're going to be investing into what I showed with you guys earlier, one of those options that represent the S&P 500 index fund. So $400 is going into the index fund. And you're going to be doing this investment for over 50 years. So 50 years right here, the length of time in years that you plan to save, that you plan to invest. 50 years is not that long of a time. Imagine setting up your retirement fund. This could change your life, $5.5 million, or whatever you guys plan. But once this money is in there, do not try to take it out. Do not extract the value. Continue to grow, because the more money that you have working, like I said, with compound interest, it's going to be the more money that's going to be growing and making you that millionaire. And how, step number 4, here it is. Right at the bottom here, annually. How frequently it's going to be compounding. It's going to be compounding the interest annually. So every year your money is going to continue to grow. And the results are right here, guys. At the bottom here, the results are in. The results are in. You turned your $100, your $400 every month into over $5.5 million. In 50 years, you will have $5 million, $586,000, and $760.94. Absolutely incredible, guys. The amount of discipline, the amount of courage it takes to go out there and save $100 every week to make you a millionaire, guys. This is the easiest way that anyone as a teenager in your 20s can set yourself up to become a multi-millionaire. $5 million. Comprehend that. But at the bottom here, guys, I want to show you a little about your future value. As you can see, the red dotted line explains your total compounding growth. So the green line below shows like your money just going in. But like I said, compounding interest, as you can see, you'll have $873,000 right now at year 32, and over time you'll have your first million by age 34. It's just absolutely insane, or year 34. So guys, as you can see, the chart just shows massive growth and how compounding interest truly makes you that millionaire. So guys, what you want to do is be disciplined. Put that $100 away every week. Save for yourself. Start that side hustle. Find ways to put that money aside and think about your future. If you're able to establish this discipline at such a young age, well, if you do this with your money, invest it, the S&P 500 do its thing, the stock market compound and grow your money. Well, in 50 years, you'll be a 5.5 millionaire. That would feel amazing. Imagine the boats, the cars, the life that you could have, all from the actions that you're doing. And this is why it is so important to start this journey as young as possible. The earlier you can do it, the more money you can invest, the more growth and the more money you're going to have for your future self. So guys, thanks for tuning into this video. A quick little insight on how you can become a millionaire, all with $100. If you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, I would be a little disappointed, but make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Let someone know, share this with a friend, comment your thoughts, and more importantly, let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. We have more business, entrepreneurial, finance tips, mowing lawns. We're doing it all. And more importantly, guys, I love you so much. Thank you for following this journey. Let's do this together and let's build financial success with each other. We're a team. We're a channel together. And I love you guys. Take care and peace out.